G'day and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a rack of lamb in our Weber Kettle along with some duck fat roasted potatoes. Never done it that way before, but I've heard so many great things about them and I'm super excited to get into it. So let's not waste any more time and jump straight into it. So today we're going to be cooking at about 180 degrees Celsius. So I've got more than half my charcoal basket full because we want to get to that hotter temp a bit quicker. All my bottom vents are open, so we light our fire lighters. Get our charcoal basket over. We'll see you in 10. So with these potatoes, I'm just going to spoon over some duck fat. We're just going to do an all-purpose seasoning. I don't want to go too hard with this because I want to try the duck fat. So we're just going to have a light sprinkle. Give it a mix. I have pre-boiled these as well. Now I'm going to sit this under our rack of lamb as well, just to catch all the other stuff. Cool, we'll get it in the Weber. So I've just taken all the hard fat off the top and scored what's left. I don't mind a bit of fat on it, so you can go as nuts as you like. We'll give it a light coating of olive oil. Got our garlic and herb rub again. We'll get it on the Weber. Get our cooking grate on. Our thermometer. And our lamb. Gorgeous. Now because we're cooking at about 180, I'm just going to stick this straight over the top. And then get our lid on. So it looks like we're at about 60 degrees. We'll just double check this and show you. Got a little bit further to go, and then we'll take it off for at least a half an hour rest. Have a look at those potatoes. Alright, so we've reached our target of about 59, so I'm going to wrap this up in 2 layers of foil. That's going to take us the rest of the way to about 63 degrees. We're going to give it at least half an hour to get there. We'll see you in half an hour. Alright, let's have a look. Absolutely gorgeous. Holy shit. So good. Right, we're gonna check on these potatoes before we eat all of this. There you have our rack of lamb and duck fat roasted potatoes. Probably would have liked to crisp them up a little bit more, but they still tasted bloody fantastic. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Get into it. So that's not what. In our Weber Kettle with a it's too hot for this. It's too hot for this. I'm gonna be wearing my f***ing Ugg boots. That is half melted. Fucking flies, man.
She's a flies. She's a flies.
Fucking flies. Holy shit.
I want to try.
Quite good.